Introducing the future of high-quality garment transfers, our latest United JetCompact 217 DTF printer. Engineered for excellence, it's where innovation meets efficiency in one compact design. Designed to accommodate 17-inch DTF film, this printer is set to revolutionize your printing operations. Navigate easily using the state-of-the-art digital control panel. Powered by 1T electricity, it simplifies your setup with no special electrical work. Experience water-based DTF pigment inks. Brilliance in CMYK and white. Our innovative white ink circulation system prevents clogging, ensuring smooth, consistent prints every time. Featuring dual Epson i1600 printheads from the 2023 model range, our printer guarantees exceptional print quality and speed, making it a powerhouse for any printing task. With a fully automatic shaker for adhesive powder, achieve flawless adhesion and durability in your prints without the extra effort. And say goodbye to the space constraints with our vertical oven for curing. Designed to save space while delivering perfect curing results, it's the ideal solution for any workspace. Empower your creativity and elevate your garment printing business with our all-in-one DTF printer. Compact, efficient, and packed with advanced features, it's ready to take your prints to the next level. Discover the difference today. Experience unparalleled print quality, versatility, and efficiency, all packaged into one revolutionary machine. Your future in garment printing starts here.